Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new episode of my channel The Nature Hobbies. So today we have got some aquatic and semi-aquatic plants from the bunnycart.com. So as you all know, Bunnycart is world famous, and so today we have ordered some plants from the Bunnycart, and let's see which plants we have got. Now what are we doing today with these plants? Per se, I will straight come directly to the point. Again, we are making a new stock box, homemade new stock box. And how are you making it? Again, I am going to be using some locally available materials, and I've tried last time. I tried to, I have established a stock in an old box which was already available, but this time I thought I'll do something more organized stuff. So I have actually bought a organizer box which already has this compartments in it. It's a plastic box, available in the market. I got it for less than 100 rupees, and it already has this compartments done to it. So what I can basically do is I can just plant different species of plants in these different compartments. I'll get to know what plants am I using. So for my information and for your information, I'm actually going to be putting the tags on each and every compartment of the plants. So let's see what plants have we got from the bunnycart.com. Yes, this time I've ordered an Anubias Nana Petite, some Julcus repens. Again, what is this? This is some Pogostum stellus, Terrarium spatulas, Bacopa purple, very beautiful plant, as you can see, very nice purple shade. Yes, two very special plants I have ordered this time, and I plan to actually try an experiment using these plants not only in my planted aquarium setups but also in the terrariums, because as far as I always say, according to my experience, the aquatic plants work beautifully well in the terrarium setup. So once we have got this organizer box, and we have basically sticked the names of the plants which we are going to plant in each of those compartments. So Bunnycart is really great in that. They give you names of each and every plants on the packet which they sent you. So same funda we did last time. What we did is we took some organic fertilizer. Now this time, because this box has compartments and in separate compartments, I am going to be adding the manure, or let's say fertilizer, not directly but still. Again, I have dhapofied a spoon from kitchen. Hope Vishaka does not mind. Then I'm actually going to be putting 1 tablespoon of fertilizer in each of the compartments. No rocket science. Again, simple, nothing more, nothing less. 1 tablespoon of fertilizer goes in each and every compartment. As you all can see, okay, just evenly spread it out. Okay, then what else do we have? We have the garden soil. Again, top the fertilizer off with the garden soil, as simple as that. Around 1 tablespoon of garden soil, pure garden soil, nothing fancy. goes on top of it, or maybe around 2 tablespoons or something like that. I'll give you a soil layer of around kind of 1 inches. I have not excessively refined the soil, not removed much of the rocks. It's just simple raw garden soil which is going in. Maybe around 1 inch or something. And that's it. As you all can see, around, just shake it, equalize the layer. As you can see, pretty much the layer of soil is equalized. This is how it looks from the top. Okay. Simple things first. We take a water sprayer. We spray water on this. Make it a little wet. The soil, obviously. Yep. See, the soil has got a little bit of wet. We'll add more water once we plant inside this. So let's start the favorite part, plantation. The first and the most commonest and my favorite plant, which I like to plant always, which I believe does very well in the terrarium setups, is my favorite Ludwigia. But this is a different variety of Ludwigia called as a Ludwigia plastaris, which is, they say, more red compared to the other species. This, however, is a top grown Ludwigia. So simple thing, as it is a stem plant. What I always like to do is cut the stems, cut the roots. Can you see the height of this plant is too much? Okay, reduce the height, or simply take your tweezers and start planting. Now we have actually dedicated a different compartment from different species of plants. Simply take the plant and simply plant it. As simple as that. No. So let us take a look at the plants. These are the plants. This is the styrogon. This is the styrogon spatulae. This is what do you want to say? This is the Anubias nana petite. The Bacopa purple, beautiful color. Ludwigia, my favorite. And this is a new beautiful plant. This is called as the Rotala macranda mini butterfly, and I'm going to be try to plant this in the terrarium setups, and let's see how it goes, how well it adapts, and how it performs in the terrarium. The Bacopa purple, same thing. separate plants. Now you see the height, this is stem plant, it's too high. Reduce the height. Reduce the height to a considerable length. Simply plant it on. The legendary Rotala macranda mini butterfly. This I'm actually going to be planting directly in some few bunches, because rotalas are really known to grow in bunches. It's the natural behavior to grow in bunches. So let's plant them in bunches. Then the styrofoam spatula, you can see very big beautiful leaves. I'm pretty sure this plant is going to look very good in the terrarium setup. Let's see. Simply, you can see it's pretty, the bunches are pretty strong. Simply place directly in the box. So guys, we are done with setting our new stock box for terrarium plants, and this is how it is looking finally. As you can see, we have planted Anubias in the front, well, some styrogon. This is a styrogon. This is the Rotala. This is the plant I have high hopes from, the Rotala macranda mini butterfly and the Bacopa purple. So let's place this in the gallery and let's hope for the best, and let's track how they grow, how they adapt, and we'll definitely be using these plants in our upcoming, in the terrariums which we are going to make in my upcoming videos. And till then, stay healthy, stay fit, stay connected, like, share and subscribe the Nature Hobbies. Thank you.